Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Uh, Good evening, Mazes Okema. Good evening. Where are you joining me from? I hope you can hear me loud and clear. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Make we gather here. Make we gather here. Let me see. How many people? How many people are joining me? What did I do? How many people are joining me? Let's gather here. Let's gather here. I want to say something about Nyesom Wike, but before I do, I want all of you to join me because I think it will be very 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 interesting to um, honestly we'll talk about it, right? So let me know where you're joining me from. For those of you who are joining me, and if you want to also join the broadcast once we start, and this broadcast is going to be roughly for you know I think it's going to be less than an hour. So if you want to join, oh hello Juliet, hello, how you doing? Nice. Oh, I didn't know that many of you are already here. So, people, let me know where you're joining me from. Let me know where you're joining me from. You know, one thing it's been a long time I haven't done live stream, in this way, but it's good also that it's happening. Now, one thing I wonder, Ndewo, good evening. Joining from over. Oh, joining from UK, joining from Ilford. That's Ruang Chai. Thank you. Juliet's joining from somewhere. Ezekiel from Abia State. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Joining from Sweden. Sweden, I'm looking for letter of invitation. I want to come to Sweden. You know what Maze is okay has planned? What I plan to do for this summer? Like this video first. But what I want to do for this summer is to visit all of you, whichever city you are. Maze will be in Manchester. I think I'll be in Sheffield. I'll be in London. I'll if I have letter of invitation for Sweden, I'll come to Sweden. Obinna Churchill, okay, from Sweden. Okay, from Manchester. I will come to Manchester if I have letter of invitation. Now, let me quickly share this link to us in case if you want to join me to have this conversation. Okay, sorry. So, what I'm saying here is, people, is very simple. I'm using my other device to share the link to join me if you so wish. What I want, what I want us to talk about is the video that's trending since yesterday. Many of you who follow us on Njunje Media have seen where we also published that video, and that video is no other video than where the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, the person of Barrister Nyesom Wike, is telling the senator in Abuja to go and hug transformer if she's not happy with what he's doing. Not only that, he went further to say that if she's thinking that it's before, that things has changed, that now they have a new sheriff in town, that they thought it was in 2023 that they won Abuja, now that she should come and win again. Let him see. Okay, people, I've shared the link to join me. What that means for me is very simple. That statement is sad. Let me take it step by step. Recall that in 2022, 2023, Nyesom Wike actually wanted to become the president of Nigeria. Look at it this way. Nyesom Wike started by saying that it was the turn of the South. Recall when they had in 2022 the Asaba Declaration. We didn't know that Nyesom Wike was the one behind the scene pulling the plugs. There were two people that spearheaded that, or three. Nyesom Wike, Akledoru, that is the late governor now, and Okowa. Okowa hosted them in Asaba. They came out with a resolution that said no open grazing in the South, and that the South must demand for the presidency, that power after 8 years would have to move to the South. While that was happening, I am kind of surprised that it did not occur to all these governors that were all coming together that the reason why Wike was all saying that was that because he was interested. And I know people who approached him and asked him if he was interested in the presidency. He said no. Even when eventually the presidency, Atiku got the presidency, he also started fighting Isha Ayu, that is the PDP chairman then, saying that the North cannot have the presidency, that is the PDP ticket. The North cannot have the party leadership. You know why? When he brought Usha, the reason why he removed Uche Secondus and brought Isha Ayu is that in his mind, if Ayu, who is a Northerner, is the party chairman, that automatically the PDP will not give the party ticket if he was going to block him becoming the presidency. Fast forward, in all this, he eventually started saying, "No, I don't want the VP," whereas he was lobbying for the VP from the behind. The rest is history. Fast forward now, the man now has gone to commission a bus terminal, a bus park, fat motor park yesterday at the Mabushi area of Abuja. You know, if you pass Jabi, you go slightly further at the back of ShopRite, you see Mabushi. For those of you who know Abuja very well, after commissioning, in his usual chorusing manner, when he was talking, this place, if you don't like it, you do what? The people there will say, go. You know what I'm telling you now? They think we have not done it. We have not done fine. We'll tell them we have done fine. Sorry, I'm trying to. Man, I'm trying to do my voice as New York na ngoroti ihe na ba ndi ngori ihe. Na de na chorum something there ba buroto. Buroto want something na ma anya ma cha ma roti ho na ko mu. That's on a lighter note. But imagine someone who contested for the presidency of Nigeria making this statement. I'm not in the studio, but I'll try as much as possible to see if I can pull out these videos for see. When I watch these videos, I don't know, honestly, I don't know what to say, but it doesn't cut it. That someone, if care was not taken, would have been the president of Nigeria, was in a studio making this statement because this woman said this. Listen to what the woman said. Security is so hard. I live in Maitama. My God, just walking down the street was hacked. That shows you the level of insecurity. We have so many issues and we don't have the funds to do them. So in the bid to prioritize, I think that the needs of the people, that is the majority of the people, healthcare, education, security, and water as basic as water, we do not have. So I'm not saying that those things, we can do them when we are more liquid, but we are not. It appears some of us have problem with English. It's only the time of Buhari that I know that we could translate English with English. But now, I believe some of us understand this, that we are not liquid, we are not buoyant. Just like when the coastal road, the conversation about coastal road started happening, it was very simple. We are not buoyant. We have roads that are not paved, that are, dilapidated. You talk about the Sapele Road. You talk about the Enugu Makodi, Yola Jalingo, Jalingo Wokari, Wokari Jalingo Yola. You talk about the Sokoto. You talk about the Sapele and the Niger Delta Road. So everywhere, can we fix? I'm not even talking about the Enugu Port Harcourt or the Enugu Onitsha that are still not completed. That's like the same type of argument. This woman made a point saying, I think instead of us to be doing some of these things, can we concentrate and provide these basic amenities? I don't know many of you who've been following me for long. When I say this, with all due respect to all of us, there is no single local government in Nigeria that is working. There is no single place, even these offices, is not working. You know how I say it's not working? Until you get to the toilet, you know what I mean. Any place where, for me, any office that a man cannot go in, urinate, come out, wash your hand with running water, then that is not functional. Any place where a woman cannot sit down to wee without contracting any form of infection afterwards does not work, because this is basic. Any place where your wife, your mom, your sister, your side chicken, your front chicken, whatever it is, cannot use without standing up as a woman to wee, then it's not functional. What am I driving to? The senator explained in simple terms that we need basic things to work. What did this guy, the minister, reply to her? Listen to this. We are not. If you don't like it, go and hang yourself in a transformer. If you're angry, go and hang yourself. But what Wike does not know is that even if we carry Ireti to go and hang her in the transformer, nothing will happen, because why? There is no light, there is no electricity, there is no water, there is no electricity. Some of you are in band A, some of us are in bandit. We don't have band, so that's why we are called those of us living in bandit. Now, listen to a person who actually wanted to become a president of a federal republic speaking in this manner. That is almost like what a tout could say. I mean, sorry, but I try as much as possible to not to be graphic with my language, but the way he speaks is short of being a tout. You see, that is the thing. You as a legislator, what have you done? Is it the duty of the legislator that is to make bills to go and construct school, to go and construct hospital, to go and construct X, to go and construct Z? Hi, guys, come on. Before I continue, please, I beg you, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this stream. Please, just click the subscribe button. Just click the like button now, guys. Just give us a thumbs up. Crane says the guy is a thug. I mean, honestly, guys, click the like now. Only 5 of you they like this video. Waiting I do now. Thank you. I see some of you giving me heart. Translate that heart into money. Monetize the heart, I beg. Anyway, listen to him. How many bills? Yeah, fair question.
will fail you. You think that what happened last time will happen again? You think so? It will not happen again.
Now, let me tell you, 2027, if you think you're popular, come and run again. That is very unpresidential, Wike. Wike, if nobody is going to tell you, listen and let me draw your ears, the words you use is very unministerial and unpresidential. There are things, I can forgive a Keke Marwa driver, I can forgive an Okada rider when they use certain words. But hey, you are nothing but a public servant, Wike. Those words are not, you should not have used them. Now, let me analyze those words. Those words means Wike, in my view, has given Nigerians the clue of the plans and the discussions he has been having with the Tinubu camp on the 2027 election. I make no apology to this. That is deductive reasoning. Look at the margin with which they lost Abuja. And he said, he went further in that video to say, I am now the minister of FCT. Do you know what that means? It means he has been guaranteed that he will not be removed even when a cabinet reshuffle happens, that he will be there to supervise the 2027 in order for him to do the same thing he did in Rivers State. Wike, go and check Ahoda result. Go and check Obiakpo result. Go and check Obibo result. Even when your boys shot, did whatever they did, the people of Rivers in some areas stood their ground. You left them on the polling unit. You now ambushed at the collation centers. Abuja. Abuja people. I know Abuja people are very smart. But one thing he doesn't know or understand, maybe because he's new. Abuja is a different place. Abuja, the presidents, including Goodluck Jonathan in 2015, Buhari in 2019, lost Asoro polling unit. People you pay, people you say, hey, ranka de the time ni to ranka de ni. You lost the polling unit inside Asoro. Tinubu lost his own Bodolion, where people will be saying that it's not poor people that lives there. Then Abuja, the most enlightened people of all, you are challenging them to the 2 years ahead of time, even not 3 years ahead of time, that the senator that is representing them, because he asked a question, therefore he must then be removed because the emperor, the conqueror, the lion of Abuja is here. Nzobu, Agazobu, everybody here. It's not funny. Because the people of Abuja, I think, before now, I think they were wearing half shumi. All of them are going to buy jeans. Because this is Kwakuriko now. With jeans, we'll see whose jeans will tear first. But it appears Wike is also smart, knowing that the Abuja people will go and buy jeans, that this is not a case of half shumi and dross. Or even, what's it called? Tight. If you remember yesterday, while he was making that comment in Abuja, he wore jeans. Spiritually, he's already telling them that I am ready. I am ready. He wore jeans, a Versace jeans that is 2,250 pounds. But on sales, now 1,449, 1,499 pounds. So if you do 1,499 pounds, listen guys, 1,499 pounds times 1,880 pounds, that is the prevailing exchange rate of today. This is what the money is, 2,818 naira. That winter coat, for me, that is more like winter coat. What you wore yesterday is more like winter coat, right? can imagine, for me, deductive analysis, what Wike said yesterday, he has revealed, he has given Nigerians, if we are discerning enough, we should know, this is what they are planning. He has told us, this is not 2023 or in 3 years' time. So those of you that know how to pray, begin to pray. I'm not asking you what to pray for, but to begin to pray. Those of you, Emeka Aneke says 1,000. No, it's not 1,009. It's 2.189 million. Come on now. I don't know where they get your own exchange rate. What am I saying at the end of the day is the APC have shown their hands. From the utterances of the minister yesterday, it has confirmed that these guys are willing, ready and willing to rig these elections. Simple. They are ready, willing to rig this election. If not, what will give you the audacity? What will give you the, I don't know which words to use, to say that a sitting senator who won 2023 election hands down with the help of the obedient are now saying, let's come and win it again. Let's see. Wike, Abuja no be Rivers. Abuja no be Rivers. So I don't know how many people you go kill for Abuja. Remember, Abuja is the seat of power. If you try the nonsense you did in Rivers, you go reach where you go reach. You get some people where fit react. Abuja is not Rivers. Like with the video that the president said the other time, I will give you Edo. Edo people have come out to say, Edo no be Lagos. Una no dey hear am. Una no dey hear am. Look at what is happening in Kenya. The Kenyan, the boys are telling them, we are Gen Z. You know, these are our children. I mean, sometimes what they do, it's one of them was smoking tear gas the other day. I said, no, wow, which kind scoy they them? They smoke tear gas. Tear gas where they fire you now. My eye go be like, say, I eat Igbo. Eh? You know? And somebody will be telling you this. Somebody, listen to this again.
You think that what happened last time will happen again? You think so? It will not happen again. If you are popular, come and run. Well, I really
So, if you are popular, come and run. You think that what happened before will happen again. Meaning, the free and fair election, or rather, the free mode of voting in Abuja that happened that led to the people we have coming out is not going to be allowed. It means blood go flow. It means we must rig Abuja. It means the 25% with which they took us to court to turn Nigerian constitution upside down, we must make sure they get 25% Abuja. Emeka Nekesemazi was generous. Waiting, your calculator. CBN rate, no now. How can you be saying that? Money today, okay, hold on. 1,499 times 1,880. I don't know where they get. This is the amount now. Look, open your app. Go to Lemfi. By the way, for those of you who want to send money, you can use Lemfi. Use our code. You see Lemfi now. This is Lemfi now. It's 1,880. So guys, do it. 1,880. 1,880 times 1,409. Emeka, you owe me one bottle of beer if at the end of the day I win this thing. I mean, please. You know, what we say here, we say go and verify. And you verify, you know. He go tell you, please, no, please, you can't use there is no voice CBN. Everything is abolished. We have only one exchange rate. The parallel exchange rate is been abolished. We only have one. There is no two. So this is not before now, please. So if you want to join me, check the description. There is the comment section. You will see a link there to join me. You see, no, Emeka, Emeka, Anika, I think, Anini Emeka, I think you are far from reality actually. CBN. You are looking at Buhari's exchange rate, not Tunubu. You are not looking at Tunubu's exchange rate. Go and look at Tunubu's exchange rate. If you look at Tunubu's exchange rate, you know, if you look at Tunubu's exchange rate, you won't be saying what you're saying. So what am I saying, guys? At the end of the day, I think APC have basically revealed their game plan. Okay, guy, my brother, you're welcome.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yeah, good. How you doing?
Depending on your geographical location.
I'm telling you, see what your senior brother is doing. Your senior brother is threatening a woman that
Uh,
she thinks that.
I'm with you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I say your senior brother is threatening a woman that she thinks is the last time. Let her come and win again now, right?
Well, Maz is okay. I just woke up not too long and I just saw you pop up there. I don't see that as a threat to to uh to her as a person, as a woman. I mean, even though we know Wike is a disrespectful person, he has no regard for anyone, regardless. But I look at it from a different perspective. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, when I heard it, I tried to know what was the background of what Ireti Kingibe said. So if you don't mind, bring me up to speed with the background
Okay. The
of
background, since you woke up from sleep, the background
yeah.
was that Ireti Kingibe had questions. Ireti Kingibe was on Arise TV and was asked by Ruben Abati, why is it that it appears she does not get along with the Minister of FCT? She said a couple of things. One being that Ruben should know that Wike is a friend to the Senate president, and that she thinks that some of the work being done in the FCT ought to have gone back to the basics, like providing water, healthcare, which is the normal thing all of us discuss every now and then, but not really building some roads that, like the one that go to DSS, the one that goes to this and that. And we took offense, basically saying, well, now you're challenging me. I'll make sure that in 2027 you don't come back. And that is the bane of contention. Why would now my own interpretation of that is that by that utterance, which was, in my view, unpresidential, unministerial, ungubernatorial, on any public service person, there are ethics, there are a mode of speaking, because the way you write email, to me, it could be informal because we know, but you should not. If I was your manager at work, you cannot address me in certain languages. So that's his mode of speaking wasn't formal, and making such, if you think you've done well, come to 2029 and and uh, and
May you not choke.
may I not joke because of weak.
Now, what I would say is it shouldn't surprise anyone the weakest behavior. Cause I mean, if we look back to prior to the election, during the election, after the election. It shouldn't surprise anyone. But my take is, does yes, criticism is allowed, constructive criticism is allowed. Wiki response, we know it's not whatever. But does Ireti Kingibe has that moral ground to stand to judge or criticize Wiki, given to the fact that they are the party that claim to be opposition party, and we've not seen anything from from them so far. I'm not justifying Wiki's behavior. I will condemn it to the very bottom. But you say you can't. She doesn't have any moral ground. None of them have any moral ground to.
Now, now, I think two things here. You're talking about
Yeah.
party,
No, I'm not talking.
and without no. You said though, you said those in the
Yeah,
opposition. If we go in that trajectory, I would say that those in the opposition, in my view, those that I've met, I've said that to them. I have no fear or favor to say that and repeat that even in public. What I've told them in private, that they have failed Nigerians. Those
exactly.
who in 2023 voted them. Some of them asked me, "What should we have done?" I said, "Let me give you an example. On the case of the 160 million naira SUV, what I would have done,
Yeah,
Mazezok, if I was in your shoes, obviously I still need a car to work. But what I would have done, I would reject that car, 160 million naira, and I'll ask you to buy me a NOD from Ogun State, or buy me a Peugeot 508 from Kaduna State, or buy me an IVM from Anambra State, or buy me a Geely or a GAC from Lagos State. These are cars assembled, some of them built in Nigeria. Simple. That alone, I said there are instances where I had expected them to do more. They said, "What would you have done?" I said, "Well, you have legs. Walk away. Register
walk
your
away.
disgust. Register your anger." That is what I would have done. I mean, it's, you know.
Your network seems to be frozen. Okay. Mazi, okay. You seem to be dipping in and out. I guess that's a Tinubu network you are using. Okay. Oh, yeah. Is it a wicked network you are using?
I'm using no, I'm using Fubara network.
I,
I'm
I
using
I
Fubara
can't hear
network.
you. Your volume, I can't hear.
Uh-uh.
You're not
I'm using Fubara network now. My network is full.
using Fubara's network. No,
I'm using Fubara's network.
you go explain tire.
No evidence.
I cannot hear you. I have to be. I don't think your audience are hearing you too.
But I can hear you now. Hold on. What are you talking?
Yeah. Can you speak a bit? Speak again. Let me see.
Hold on. Let me see. What's
I'm echoing back to myself. I don't know why that's the case.
okay? Hold on.
Let me
Yeah, I can
change.
hear myself.
Let me put on.
No, I can
Let me
hear.
put on my laptop.
No. Yeah, the audience, can you please confirm that you can hear Mazes, okay? Because I think this man in England is the one that he hasn't paid his internet bill. Please confirm that you can hear me. Can somebody
Let me.
take to the comment section and confirm? Yes, you can hear me. Thank you, Adam. Adam Anisha says thank you. They can hear me, and I
Okay.
can hear you.
I'm gonna. I
I
will
can hear
switch
you.
to just we keep talking, and I will switch to
Anywhere,
uh
anywhere,
my,
it's your problem. Yes, they can hear me. So what I'm saying in essence is, people, um, what I'm saying in essence is, the, you know, we must be very clear on this. What Wike has given us is something that should make us to think. And when I say something that should make us to think, it's he has given us the a glimpse of the brain of those in power and what they are thinking. Those in power, meaning the governing party and their strategy for 2027. In fact, by what Wike said yesterday, I think is a leak of 2027 strategy. That's what I think. And it's for us now to say, okay, where is the senator not doing right? Because again, the senator, don't get me wrong, the senator cannot return just because she's a woman or because she has the surname Kingibe or because she's in Labour Party. No, she must deliver on her mandate, the reason why she was elected. On the event that she delivers on her mandate why she was elected, which the full result will be unveiled maybe, you know, 36 months or 40 months after. On the event that that happens, that she has delivered on her mandate and has served the people of FCT properly, no matter strategy, no matter the strategy, no matter what the APC, Wike and co are doing, I believe the people of Abuja would also be very, 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 very serious in ensuring that the leak will not go as planned. Right? Wike should learn from Audley. That is the NNA maker. Please work on the audio quality. I don't know. This is I don't know what audio quality again you want.
Yeah, can you? I can hear you a bit.
I can
I
hear
mean,
you a bit. I mean,
maybe you can. Maybe you should
maybe you can.
mute.
Maybe you should
Maybe if I'm
mute. Maybe
speaking,
if
and
I'm
because I'm
speaking, and
echoing
because I'm
back to
echoing
myself.
back to
Let me see
myself.
if that
Let me see
But
if that's the case.
when I hear when I check,
I don't know.
yeah, because I'm listening to you here and I can hear you, you know, without issues. But I
That
don't
means you are
think.
using
I
two
mean,
devices.
Two devices.
yeah, but one is here. I mean, I'm not. It's just basically for me to.
You have to mute it
You
then.
have to
Okay,
mute it then.
you have to
Okay.
mute one. If you both are muted, I mean, yeah, I think yeah, it's much better now. I'm not echoing back to myself again. Can you hear me? Can you confirm if you can hear me?
I've been hearing you all the
All right,
while.
thank you.
You know
You
what?
see, I watched a
Let me
video
let me.
I watched
today
a video today
that was sent to
that
me.
was
I
sent
think
to
it was
me. I think it was
Rudolph that sent
Rudolph
it
that sent it
on our platform.
on our platform.
And this lady was
And
very
this lady
on
was
spot. It's
very
on the
on
TikTok.
spot. It's
Hope,
on the
I'll
TikTok.
check it
Hope, I'll check it
if there's no
if
copyright
there's no copyright
infringement on it. I'll
infringement
be
on it.
reading.
I'll be reading.
She based it on
She based it
relationship,
on relationship,
Nigerian situation on
Nigerian situation
relationship,
and relationship,
where we
where
have
we
allowed,
have allowed,
we have done
we
things
have
that the
done
government
things
are
that the
supposed to
government
do.
are supposed to do.
For example,
For
no
example, no
electricity, rather than
electricity,
us holding
rather than
them
us holding them
accountable and asking
accountable
them
and
to.
asking them to.
What do we end up
What do we
doing?
end
We
up doing?
contribute
We
money.
contribute money.
We buy
We buy
solar system, or
solar
we buy
system, or we
generator
buy
for
generator
ourselves,
for ourselves,
or we buy
or we buy
transformer when the
transformer
transformer
when this
goes bad.
transformer goes bad.
Also applicable
Also
to
applicable
water,
to water,
education,
education,
and everything.
and
And
everything. And
I looked back,
I looked
Mazi.
back,
I mean,
Mazi. I
you
mean,
live in the
you
UK
live
as
in the
well
UK
too.
as well too.
We pay our
We pay our
taxes,
taxes,
normal
normal
income taxes,
income
beside
taxes, beside
council tax and
council
other
tax and
other
other
taxes.
taxes.
But we don't do
But we
things for
don't do
government.
things for
The
government.
government
The government
do it. We hold
do
them
it. We hold them
accountable. They do
accountable.
the role.
They do the
Yeah, I'm
role. Yeah,
echoing.
I'm
Somebody saying
echoing.
I'm
Somebody
echoing.
saying
I
I'm
don't know why
echoing.
I'm
I don't know
echoing,
why
to
I'm
be
echoing,
honest.
to be honest.
So
So
I'm
I
echoing
think
back to
I'm echoing
myself.
back to myself.
sorry. I think it's from your system because when I talk, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Yeah, because I've left the normal microphone and I put up my lapel. So obviously I should be more clearer now. But
Yeah, you
if
have.
any echo is
Yeah, you
happening,
have.
If any echo is happening, sadly, it's from your own end.
Okay, I'm gonna go out and come back again. I don't know why is that. So I'm gonna go out
Okay.
and I can't do it on the laptop because it's telling me it's only on mobile and tablet the way you set it.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
That's
so
fine.
I'll pop out and I'll log in back again.
Thank you. Okay. So, guys, please, 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 please share this stream. Share this stream, and share, like, subscribe, and support us if you can. Let me quickly, but electricity did. Okay. Yeah. Let me bring him back again and see if he helps. Let me take some of your comments. I believe it's your end. Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I
I'm still
I've
at
been
my
hearing
back.
you all the time.
All right,
It's only
listen, we're just gonna
my
manage.
audio.
I don't know. I don't know why. Okay, let's do another thing. I'm gonna go off.
Oh, it's good now. I had something very crystal clear.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm still like going back. Anyway, it's okay. We'll manage it. Get it in either my phone or whatever. Let's
But I
reach
can
out
hear
to
you
you
now.
as
So go ahead, make your submission. Let me take another person. Go ahead,
uh,
make your submission.
you know what? Just take somebody here. Okay, I probably will coming back in. Yeah.
Okay.
Take somebody.
Okay. So thank you very much. So if you're joining us here, we are talking about. I mean, if you want to join the conversation, just check the comment section. You will see the link. It's very simple. Click on the link. It brings you directly here. We can have this conversation. And for those of you just joining now, we've been talking about the revelation made by Wike, where he said that if the minister, if the senator of the FCT, that is Senator Ireti Kingibe of the Labour Party, that if you know, because they both of them are having argument back and forth, that Ireti should come back in 2026, 2027. Let him see, meaning that there are plans already in place. Why and how they have planned to do certain things. So if you click there, you can join us. Now, listen to once more to that conversation, or rather to that statement made by Minister Nyesom Wike. You think that what happened the last time would happen again, then every single Nigerian with gray matters in between the skulls will say what actually happened the last time. Very simple. Last time, the people of Nigeria, young, old, middle age, everybody came out to say, this election, we are going to vote and we are going to vote for certain individuals. And they did. And their votes, they voted and they stood their ground for their votes to be counted. Now, after this, it appears what happened in Lagos and what happened in Abuja got these government really angry. Therefore, Wike is now revealing the mind of these government as to what they have in stock for you and I, for Nigerians, especially for the residents of Abuja and Lagos in 2027. Listen. So it says, you think you can come and do that again? You think so? Oh yeah, you have to come and run again. George Blue Shell says, Mazi, I don't think electricity understands your point of argument. Well, I believe he does, but again, you know, there is an adage that's in my place that says when you come late to a meeting, your submission also comes late. So we probably don't blame him because he came late, probably didn't hear when I started and the submissions that I made. So obviously, he wouldn't blame him. Damien Damien says, I think Wike is dancing the music of the dead. His couples. Some of us, Wike is dancing the. So it means Wike is dancing the Surugede. But I mean, I'm only thinking that, things could be done differently, that he can be more matured in the way he engages. Hendrik Rubin says, Hello, Freunde. Dann sage ich dir auch, Hello, Freunde. Ich begrüße dich auch. So electricity is coming back again once more. So let's see if this works better now. Electricity, you're back. I believe you now change device. It appears you move from Android to iPhone now.
No.
Yeah, but
I
I
cannot.
can hear you now. I can hear you very well now.
See, as I was saying, we've done what we are doing what the government was supposed to do for us. So why would they bother to do anything? We can't hold any one of them accountable. And at this point, it's very sad for me to say that these people that are in power, they won't change. And it's up to us, the people,
So because you think they won't change, then we'll keep
because
quiet.
we've allowed them, we've permitted them, we've
Well,
given them that right. They won't.
but that doesn't we must continue permitting it. If you look at Kenya like us have permitted their nonsense and madness for so long. But it appears the younger ones now are not permitting it. Even when the tax bill has been, withdrawn, discarded, destroyed, they haven't left the street. Because now the question is, some of them are beginning to ask, who is actually behind this? Now, but if you now just oppose it to the number of people that have died, the question is, are Kenyans actually doing the right thing? Destroying shops, destroying the little infrastructure you have in a protest, is that the right thing? So, I mean, I'm not saying this is right or wrong, but again, these are questions that we need to ask. Yeah.
Did you ask me a question? My apologies.
Yeah. Is are the Kenyans getting it right?
We must commend the Kenyans. Okay.
But it has gone into destruction now, like some shops.
Unfortunately, you can't rule this out. Sadly, it shouldn't, but you will see some people that will that far. My hope and prayer is, and in one of the broadcasts I moderated, or the topic is Kenya, or Kenya is on a shaky ground. Yes, they've been able to stop their government from implementing that finance. Uh, I hope, like I said, they pull it through. They make him to resign. I don't like violence. Truth be told, uh, these things will happen when we seek for change, either for good or for bad. It's gonna happen. And I think at this point, Nigerians, we need to rise up. I saw your post, I respect to Pastor Tommy say Nigerians arise. And yes, we need to. I will be doing a very partial broadcast in the next coming days after round up on Saturday. If we don't stand up as is, things are not going to change. That's just the truth. Because if we think we will, yes, I thought previously that we will change Nigeria through the ballot box. And I'm sorry to say I don't stand on that position again. We can't elect a leader through that ballot box again. It's impossible because they're not going to let go. So I'm looking at voluntary separation, which in another word determination. However, not in the line. We are not going to trot in the line of tribal separation first. It ain't going to work. That would never work. And that is why the IPOB, the Arewa, whatever it is, hasn't worked. And it will never work because it should be about a good something about everybody. I know you may not agree, but any separation that is on the tribal line, transit, it will never work. Take it to the market. It will never work.
You know why I'm laughing. For those of you who are watching and those who will watch later, based on what you said, on Saturday, 6 o'clock Nigerian time, I will be having a global state of the nation where representatives from the 6 geographical zone will be joining in a debate that I will be moderating on this platform. And that debate is very simple. The title so far, or rather, I think the flyer is coming out tomorrow. The title is Nigerians Unstable Federalism and Quest for Solution. Because the federation is unstable, is imbalanced, and the quest. You know, if you review and if some of us pay attention, Akin Fapuhunda, Dr. Akin Fapuhunda, a very good friend of mine, made a proposition, and I had a conversation with him about 3 weeks ago in Abuja, that I interviewed him after my conversation with Kenneth Okonkwo. We spoke around his proposition of 9 regions, moving from 6 geographical regions to 9. And he has come under attack that many veterans, people have dusted their ideas now. So Saturday is going to be, in fact, you know what you had with Tony Nadi one time. You were there. Saturday is the bomb because Akin Fabohunda is going to be my guest. Madam Ankyo Briggs, the Amazon of the Niger Delta, is going to be my guest. Professor Chido Zwago is going to be my guest. Professor Tijani and Professor Yusuf Turaki from Kaduna State, from Sokoto State, Middle Belt people. Just go by data. I planned for 2 hours, but I tell you, from conversations at the back room so far, we might sleep there because it go hot. As it hot now, so they call them. And I intend to also make it a recurring conversation because at the end of the day, when I listen to postulations like yours, oh, let's break Nigeria, it must not be on ethnic basis. You know, I laugh. The other one wakes up, let's break Nigeria. It can be Oduduwa, it can be Biafra. This, I laugh. You know why? I only ask one simple question. What were we before 1914? What were we? We weren't Oduduwa. We weren't Biafra. Question is, what were we? Right? So if we understand these things, it means.
Do you want me to answer?
No, hold on. No, it's not for you to answer. I don't want to preempt my program here, but let us think about this way. If we know what we were before 1914, the question is, just like marriage, Before you got married, of course, you had PhD. Yes, you had master's degree. Yes, you were 6 feet two. And so what? You got married. Some would then argue, well, this marriage, no be me find my husband. Now my uncle recommend this ye man. After all, that girl, now my mom recommended this to me. The question is then, you are now grown, you're two adults. Do you want it to work? If you want it to work, conversation has to change direction, irrespective of how both of you came together. And that is the to Nigeria. If we want to stay, fine. If we don't want to, we'll divorce and we'll separate. But that separation, who is going to make that decision is still going to be the people. I leave it at that. People, thank you very much for joining me. My brother, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. So, you want to say something before I leave you?
Yeah, no, no, no,
Yeah,
no,
no,
no.
no, 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 no.
Look forward to that.
Forward to that. Saturday is
But
gonna. I'm telling you, Saturday is gonna be the bomb.
make sure you buy
Make sure
enough
you
data.
buy
Yeah,
enough that.
I have to do that.
No, he has to. Mazi, where we existing pre 1914? Yeah?
Of course. What
Of
kind of
course. How can you question that? You know,
What-
when let me answer you this way. When Mazi Ezeke says Abụ m onye Igbo, Abụ m onye Gboo, you know what that means? Onye Gboo, the ancient one. It's for a reason. You come to me and say, oh, no, you're Biafra. I know, I laugh. You know why? Because I'm not. You know why I say I'm not? Because that the Portuguese came with their own concept of, or gave a name that originated from this, the town of Mafra. Gives it to me, and I adopt it because there was a bait named after themselves. They named it. The the bite of Biafra, right? Then therefore it becomes me. The question, I want to go beyond before they came. What are my people called? Who am I? It's just like now in the political nomenclature you hear, oh, not. Many of us from the south makes this mistake. The Fulanis have taken everything. The Fulanis are taking. They've been governing. I said, sure. Now so na who they think. Abacha was not Fulani. Abacha was Kenuri. Even Tinubu's vice president is not Fulani. Have we ever, many of us from the south, ever taken time to understudy the conflict in the north between the Hausas, the Kenuris, and the Fulanis? If you understand that, there are certain terms and words you may stop using because you would know certain things that will guide utterances. Anyway, let's wait. Now, Saturday, they happen. Saturday, 6 p.m. It go hot. Because some people, let me not preempt anything, but that is going to be an interesting conversation.
if you can,
If you can,
if the
if
broadcast
the
can
broadcast
go ahead
go
on
ahead on
Friday,
Friday,
please join me.
please join me. I don't know. I beg mute. You're listening, they do my ear. Your what's it called? Your microphone is too.
I'm using cheap
I'm using cheap.
cheap phone. Don't think those were in
Anyway,
abroad.
don't think those were in abroad. Sorry. Anyway, let me let you go. So, guys, thank you very much for joining me, and join me on Saturday. As I said, we will be having that program, and it's going to be an interesting conversation because obviously, I honestly want an honest conversation. That is part of my State of the Nation series. So the State of the Nation series will have this. Then afterwards, we would, on Sunday, I will have the State of the Igbo Nation. And if everything goes well, I'll be having Senator Chris Anyanwu as well on Sunday. And the conversations will be ept. Okay? The conversations will be ept. So, guys, on this note, I sign off. I say thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining me. I am still Mazi Ezoke, and I say good night, good night, good night, and God bless us all. Please like, share, and